Cat. Crocodile. Chick. Deer. Dog. Tiger. Monkey. Chicken. Bull. Zebra. Woodpecker, avian marvels known for their specialized adaptations for drumming on trees and foraging for insects. What distinguishes woodpeckers from other animals is their unique cranial structure, including shock-absorbing tissues, which enables them to repeatedly hammer their beaks against hard surfaces without sustaining injury. Their distinctive chisel-shaped bill, stiff tail feathers for support, and barbed tongue for extracting prey set them apart as nature's percussionists and skilled carpenters. Exemplifying unparalleled techniques for excavating wood and thriving in arboreal habitats.